Hi, this is David Marsh with eminitradingstrategies.com. In this video, we're going to talk about the weekly video update, our trades this week, as well as the ProTrader update as well. I'm trying to stay on top of that. Trading this week, I actually did make some screenshots and I did make a video Wednesday, but it's kind of my attention that the video is not recognizable or not functioning on YouTube, which we use for our blog videos. So I'm just going to have to see if I can redo it. I honestly don't know that I will, but I will tell you we had only 2, maybe 3 days this week of one and dones. That's it. Other days we had losing trades. It may have been 4 days, okay? But we made a profit every day this week. In fact, we made sometimes more than our profit goal this week. But because I only have today's results, today's Friday, I'm going to show you what we did today, okay? And then we're going to talk about ProTrader, and then we'll go ahead and wrap it up for the weekend. So we opened up right around here, had a valid pullback trade, went short, 83.50. Profits right down here at 82.50, and it hit its goal, but we didn't get filled. It touched and bounced, and we take our stop loss to break even, so it turned right around and stopped us out even. Okay, well, we had a normal system entry. That was a losing trade. We lost about 5 ticks. We had the reverse, and that's where we lost the 5 ticks. And we lost on this trade, and we had to flatten out here. We were down about 11 to, depending on fill price, because remember, when we close out on a reversal, it's market. So some are going to get better fills, some are going to get worse fills, but between 11 and 13 ticks. So here it is, 9:40 in the morning. We're already down about 3 points. Okay, discipline, rules. That's all that you need to recover and make money are those two things. If you go against the system, you start getting nervous and worried. You know what? Hey, trading's probably not for you. That's just the way it is. Okay. Well, we turned right around. We grabbed a short EET trade. All right. Before I talk about this, I'm not trying to bash people. I know trading is difficult, and it's always going to be difficult. Okay, recovery is what makes it difficult. The fact that you're going to take losing trades is what makes trading hard. It's easy when you make winners, but you're going to take losing trades. I'm going to take losing trades. Guys in the pit are going to take losing trades. So make recovery your finest point when you trade. That's your finest attribute as a trader, is the ability to follow the rules and recover from your losing trades. Okay. So we take an EET short. I call in a room to take only 4 ticks off this trade. Why? Because we're in no zone. Market's going sideways. No zone tends to stay in no zone until it comes out of no zone. I know there's some big theory about that, but we're not going to get into that. So obviously we could have grabbed more than 4 ticks off that, but we didn't. We made 4 ticks. End of story. But now we come out of no zone and we have the NSE that is a high probability winner, or we have what we call the super EET, which is on a faster chart that gets you into the NSE before it happens, basically, normally 4 to 8 ticks before the signal. That's exactly what we did. Rode that up for 8 to 9 ticks. All right, so we had a 4 tick winner, 9 tick winner. We turned it right around. Now this EET is not valid because this trade is a high probability trade, so we would not take that trade. And then we simply took the short NSE, because this is valid, ran that down for one or two guys got 5 ticks. The most probably got 4 ticks, 5 ticks. I think maybe one got 6. And then we followed up with another pullback trade for, really we were done. But if you need to cover commission, you need a couple extra ticks, you had it right there. So we still got done by 10:06 in the morning. Now let's talk about ProTrader. Let me get my screen in here really quick. I'm going to pause for just a moment. Okay, I'm back. You probably saw this screen last week, except this wasn't here. When I did the video last week, we were down about 5.5% or so, 5.75%. It was rollover, so I had to show you hypothetical charts. But now we turned it right around. ProTrader has not taken any trades as of this video. So as of yesterday, really, March was up 7%. So now we're up over just about 14% for the year. So let me go ahead and show you the charts. Here's March 14th. Okay, we had a short trade, hit its first profit, turned around, stopped out. Okay, that's what it is. Oops. Let's move on to our next trade. This is the 15th, March 15th. Nice long entry. All 3 profits hit. Nice day there. Oops. I'm still getting used to Windows 7. And March 16th, look at that. 2 full boat winners. Bam, bam. 2:30 in the afternoon, just about 3 o'clock in the afternoon, $670 just trading 3 contracts. And then on March 17th, another full boat winner. So we just 1 week turn that negative right around. And that's what, ProTrader is all about. We're not going to win every trade. ProTrader doesn't trade every day. It's trading more. Why? Because the volatility is increasing. So it's getting more trades. Okay? Back in January and February, I think it did 7 or 8 trades both of those months combined. Right? And we're not going to win every trade. We had 3 or 4 losers straight, and that's going to happen. We've showed a max drawdown of about $600 per contract. We weren't close to that here, but bottom line is it turned it around, and now we're up. Does that mean we're going to be up 20% next week? No, we could be back down to 6%. We don't know. But the goal of ProTrader is long-term growth, and that's what it does. All right. But I do need to point out that ProTrader is very limited, and I would be pretty accurate in stating that probably not going to be selling this much longer. Okay, so if you're interested in it, good time to get with myself or Al, ask your questions, because we did say this would be limited. I mean that, just like the advanced series. I'm only going to release a few copies out. Once they're gone, they're gone. So you have, again, questions, feel free to get in touch. So pretty good week for ProTrader. Month started off tough. We turned it right back around, and we're showing positive so far all this year. Great system week. Not a lot of one and dones, a lot of recovery trades, okay, but good education too, to show you that, you're not going to win every trade. You got to be able to recover. You got to go in there and trade, okay, and that's what we did all week. So now I'm doing this video at 10:30 in the morning on Friday. We're all done for the week. We're done for the weekend. So you enjoy the weekend. Hope you like the videos. Feel free to get in touch if you have any questions.